Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to an image in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in canva.com and I have created this design here, which is our logo to our channel, Guide Infinity. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a link to this image, and it's going to be the link to our YouTube channel. So what I've done is I've gone on to our YouTube channel, I have copied the link, and now what I'm going to do is come to the image and I'm going to right click and I'm going to come all the way down to where it says link here. If you wanted the shortcut for this, it is Control and K. So I'm going to click on this, and then as you can see, says enter a link in here. So I'm just going to do Control V and I'm just going to paste that link in. I'm then going to press OK, and as you can see, it says link is added. You can see now at the bottom as well that the link is there, and if we were to click on it, it takes us straight to our YouTube channel, which is amazing. That is exactly what we want. So what we want to do is download this, and we want the link to stay with the image. So if we come up to the top right hand corner and click on share, and then if we scroll down to download, and then it is suggesting that we download it as a PNG, but we don't want to do that. So what we can do is we can do it as a PDF print, and that way it will keep the link with it. So you don't want to flatten it, do any cropping or anything. So you just want to do that and then hit the download button. If you have a website or a blog and you're wanting the image for that, what you can do is you can come up to share, and then if you come down to where it says more, if you give that a click, and then if you press on this embed button, and then it says that you can embed your design. So it depends what software you're using, but if you have WordPress, for example, this will generate the right link for you. So if you click on the purple button that says embed, and then what it's done is it has created some embedded links for you. So you've got your HTML one or a smart link there. So you can use whichever one you need for your website. And then what we do, so that has now downloaded for us. So if we come to our downloads, and then what we will do is just click on the one that is relevant for us. And then what we'll do, and then if we click on the link, it will now take us straight to our YouTube channel, which is perfect, amazing, exactly what we want. And that's it, guys. That is how to add a link to an image on Canva. I hope that you guys found this video useful. There is a link in the description if you want to click on that. You could hit the like button and the subscribe button. That would be amazing. And if you have any comments or questions, if you leave it in the comment section below, that is awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.